Assalamu alaikum everybody. So today our topic is ascending and descending for our first same chapter 4-digit numbers. Now ascending and descending order is nothing but arrangement of number in a certain pattern. Ascending, first we'll look at ascending order. Ascending order is arrangement of numbers from smallest number to biggest number, that is small to big. Arrangement of numbers from small to big is ascending order. Here for example, I'll just show you. I'll draw this. Suppose these are stairs that we climb. Okay. Now here to each stair I'll give one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our ground floor. This will be our first floor. When we are climbing from ground floor to first floor, we use stairs and go up. So as we are going up, our number is increasing. After reaching 5 stairs, we'll go to first floor. Again, if we go to 5 stairs, we will go to second floor. Like that. So when we are going from small number to biggest number, that is, see here, first we are standing over here. So first we are having 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. So when we are going from small number to big number, we call it as ascending order. Same like this, we have descending order. See here, when we are going small to big, we call it ascending order. And same like this, opposite of this is descending. If we are standing over here, if we are coming from big to small, from up to down, from first floor, fifth floor, we are coming to ground floor, like this, it will be descending order. Now, if we use these numbers, whatever our ascending order answer will be, our answer for ascending order will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbers are increasing from small to big. But if you are writing using the same numbers and writing answer for descending order, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The numbers are decreasing. From big to small we are writing in descending. In ascending from small to big. Now, as in this chapter we have learned 4-digit number, we will look into one example of ascending and descending order using a 4-digit number. Okay. Now I've written here ascending order is small to big. For your help, I'll write here descending order. This will be big to small or biggest to smallest. Okay. Now, let's take an example. I'll just take one example and we'll write it both in ascending and in descending order. For example, I'll just need a reader for this. Our first question is, this is our question, okay? Now, in the last class, in the last video, we have learned about comparing numbers. Same that technique we will use here for arranging the numbers in first ascending order and second in descending order. First, we'll go for ascending. Then we'll go for descending. Fine? Now, look here. Ascending order is number from small to big. Okay? And descending order is number from big to small. Let's see now. Which is the smallest number over here? In last class also I told you when we are comparing numbers by putting greater than, less than and equal to sign, we'll first look in the left side first number, that is the first number over here. All the numbers are 4 digits number. That means all numbers are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So first we'll look at all the numbers in thousands place. Here we are having 4. Next number is 7. 4 is greater than 7? No. 4 is lesser than 7. Next 5. 5 is also greater than 4. Next again we are having 5. 5 is also greater than 4. Then last is again 7. 7 is also greater than 4. So 4 is the smallest number in this group. So first we will write this. Here 4568 is the smallest number in this group. Now next smallest we will write. 4 is over. Fine. This is finished. Now next 7. This is 7. This is 5. 7, 5. Which is the biggest number? Which is the smallest number here? 5 is the smallest. So we'll look into this one. Then again we are having 5. 5 and 5. Both are equal. So what we'll do, what I remember the last class, what we said, we'll go for the next place value. In next place value, here. In next place value also we are having in hundreds place 2, 2. Again these both are equal. So what we'll do now, we'll again go to the next number. The next number is in tens place. Here both the tens place are 0, 0. This is also same. Now last what is left? Ones place. In ones place here we are having 0 and here we are having 6. Which is the smallest number, 0 or 6? 0 is the smallest. So which number we'll write here next? We'll write here. The next smallest number is 5200. Now after that, anyhow now we are having here 7, here 7. 5 is left. So we'll write this number. The next biggest number. Now small, big, big. Now next. Here is 7. There is also 7. First digit, both of them is 7. So we'll go for the next digit. Next digit here is 9. Here the next digit is 3. So which is the smallest? We are writing ascending, small to big. So we'll look for the smallest number. Which is the smallest in both of them? 9 or 3? 3 is smaller. So we'll write that number, 7354. Okay. Next is 9 is big. Last number that is left. This is the biggest number. Now in this group, the smallest number is 4568. In increasing order, the biggest is 7984. Like this, we are arranging in ascending order, smallest to biggest. This is ascending order. AO, ascending order. Okay. Now for descending order, for this same question, now already we arrange these numbers from small to big. Descending will be big to small. Same numbers we will write in opposite form. Biggest number, then next biggest, then next biggest, then next biggest, smallest. Like that. Because we already solved this already, I am giving this answer directly. From big to small we are writing. Here we wrote ascending order. Here we are writing descending order. This is descending order. This one is ascending order. Now to explain only descending order, I'll take another example for you to be clear. Okay. Next question. Okay, this is our next question. So first we'll arrange these numbers in descending order. First, okay, this I explained you. Now I'll explain you this. It is just same, nothing different. Now in descending order, we are going to arrange the numbers in big to small format. In ascending small to big, in descending big to small. So here we'll first look at the biggest number, then we'll go to the smallest. Which is the biggest number here? So first we'll take the first number, that is thousands place value. We'll look all the numbers in thousands place. Here is 3, here is 2. Thousands place. So 3 is bigger than 2? Yes, we'll keep it on hold. Next number is 9. Here is 3. 3 is bigger than 9 or 9 is big? 9 is bigger. So we have 9. We'll keep 9. We can write 9 for the first. Then next number is 3. Again here is 4. 3 is bigger or 4 is bigger than 9? 9 is only bigger. So in the whole group, the biggest number is starting from 9,000. So first we will write this number. That is 9,983 is our biggest number. Now we'll write the next small number. Okay. So 9 is over. Okay. This is done. Now next biggest number we have to write. Here we are having 3. Here we are having 2. Here also we are having 3. Here is 4. Now which is the biggest number? Only thousands place we are seeing. Thousand place value we are seeing right now. Which is the biggest? 3 is big, or 2 is big, or 4 is big? 4 is bigger. So we'll write that 4th number. 4090 will be the next biggest number. Now next, after this, after 4, 4 is also over. We'll just strike it off. Now we are having 3 numbers. 2 are starting with 3, 1 is starting with 2. Which is bigger? Obviously 3 is bigger. So we'll compare this one and this one now. Okay. Here 3 is in thousands place. Here also 3 is in thousands place. So we'll go for the next place value, that is hundreds. Okay. Here we are having 2. Here also we are having 2. Again same numbers. We have to go again to next place value, that is tens. Here in tens place we are having 5. Here in tens place we are having 4. We are arranging in descending, big to small. Which is bigger? 5 is bigger or 4 is bigger? 5 is bigger. So we will write this number next. 3,254. Then after that, obviously 3 is left because 2 will be smaller. So we'll write this number, 3,245. At last, which is remaining? Already this is also small too. 1,222 will be our number. These numbers are arranged in descending order. Okay. Now same thing, very easy. Ascending, how to change in ascending? Same question. Just like we did here. Here, all the numbers are already arranged in, this is the mixture. The question that I wrote is in mixed form. The question that I wrote is in mixed form. That is why we had to look at each number. Here it is just a little bit of common sense. Here we already arranged from big to small. So if the same thing I'm telling you to write in ascending, that is small to big, you will just write it in reverse. Last. See, arrange the numbers. This is the mixture of numbers. This is a mixture of number. Here I arrange, explain you first arrangement of ascending. Here I explained you arrangement of descending. Same thing. If already the number set of numbers are arranged, then just by applying your common sense, if already the numbers are arranged, just by applying your common sense, you can reverse it. Here we wrote small to big, and if I'm telling for same to write descending, we just reversed it from big to small. Here also the same thing. So what is ascending order? Arrangement of numbers from small to big, and descending is from big to small. I hope you all understood. And okay, so okay, thank you.